Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate or connect your Klaviyo account with AEvent. To start, I'll be showing you first how to get your private API key from Klaviyo because we will be needing that once we integrate it to AEvent. So let's log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're already logged in, click on your name from the lower left-hand side. Click on Settings, and then let's click on API keys. From here, you'll be able to see all your private API keys for Klaviyo. You can toggle the visibility from here and copy your private API key to somewhere easily accessible like Notepad. So once you already have that information, let's switch over to your AEvent account. Once you're logged into your AEvent account, let's go to integrations, and then let's click on add integration. Look for Klaviyo by simply typing it into the search bar. When you click on this drop down arrow, you can already see the different timeline actions you can create with this integration. But for now, we will be adding it. So let's click on add integration. And you can name or label it however you want, but let's make it easy to identify in case you have to add another Klaviyo account in the future. So for the purposes of this video, I'll be naming it Klaviyo 1. Once you're satisfied with the name you've given it, just click on connect. And then you'll be prompted for the private API key, which I've already shown you how to get earlier. So let's enter that information here. Once you have that information entered, click on continue. And we have successfully integrated Klaviyo with our AEvent account. So the next thing we need to do is test the connection between Klaviyo and AEvent. So look for Klaviyo and click on the test button. And as you can see, we have successfully established the connection between the two. So the last thing we have to do is to enable Klaviyo on the timeline that we want to use it for. So from here, just click on timeline, open the timeline you want to enable or to use Klaviyo for, and then go to the integration section of that timeline. Look for Klaviyo and just toggle the switch to enable it. Once you toggle it, you'll have access to the integration settings for Klaviyo. So just click on the gear icon. And from here, you can enable this option to add to list upon integration. So once you enable this, of course, you have to select the list you want registrants added to upon registration. So for this one, we'll select on reg list and then just click on update settings at the bottom. This is also where you can create or select the system fields or custom fields that you want values passed on from AEvent to Klaviyo. So for the purposes of this video, I'll be creating it. There you go. So these are the custom fields that you can enable. So once you have enabled them, these values can be passed on from AEvent to Klaviyo. So once we're satisfied with everything, just click on update settings at the bottom. And there you have it. We have shown you how to get your API key from Klaviyo, your private API key. We have shown you how to integrate Klaviyo to your AEvent account and how to enable Klaviyo for your timeline. So that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.